Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 6 student on the based on chapter 10, and from chapter 10 we will discuss today creative question and answer. Dear student, take your textbook. Open page number 108 and follow the class with your textbook. Today we will solve CQ2 from your textbook. Dear students, let us move for our today's topic. Dear student, this is our lecture 17 for annual term, and you will get SW 15 from this class, and we will discuss today CQ2 from the chapter 10. This is the stem. Here one object go from point A to B and from point B to C. When the object goes from A to B, it takes 3 seconds and it covers 8 meters. And when the object go from B to C, it takes 1 second and it covers 4 meters. Dear students, on this stem we have to solve the question number C and D. Let's come to our question. Question A is what is rest? Question B is what do you mean by reference frame? C, what is the average velocity of the particle when moving from point A to C? Determine the calculation. And last question, that means question D, is whether the time will be more or less if the particle reaches the point C from the point B by moving with the uniform acceleration. Give argument in favor of your answer. Dear students, it will be G and this will be Y. Let's move to our answer. First question was what is rest, and the answer of the question is when an object does not change its position with time relative to an observer, the object is considered at rest, and this state of the object is called rest. Dear students, this definition I have taken from your textbook. You can learn it from your textbook. Now come to our next question answer. The next question is what do you mean by the reference frame? The observer relative to whom motion or rest is determined is called reference frame. Hence, the reference frame is such a specified object or point relative to which the rest or motion of an object is determined. The reference frame may be a person, an object, or a place. Now, for the C, we have to come to the question and the stem. Here the question is what is the average velocity of the particle when moving from point A to C? Determine the acceleration. Dear students, come to the stem. Here the particle go from point A to B and it takes 3 seconds and it covered 8 meters, and from B to C the object takes 1 second and it covers 4 meters. Then total distance the object covered 8 plus 4, that means 12 meters, and the taken time is 3 seconds plus 1 second, that means 4 seconds, and we have to find out the average velocity, and we know the velocity is displacement divided by time, that means the distance covered by the object and you have to divide with the time, that means 4 seconds. Now come to the answer. In the above figure, particles displacement when moving from point A to C equal to 8 meter plus 4 meter, that means 12 meter. You have to write like this because it is a mathematical term. And total time taken 3 plus 1 second equal to 4 seconds. Therefore, average velocity of the particle equal to displacement by time equal to 12 meter by 4 seconds. Dear students, here you can write like this, and we can divide it by 4, then equal to 3 meter per second, and you can write like this 3 meter per second, and you have to write the separate answer for question number C. Dear students, come to the stem again for the question and the answer. D of D. Whether the time will be more or less if the particle reaches the point C from the point B by moving with uniform acceleration. Give your argument in favor of your answer. Again, here the from point A to B, the object take 3 seconds and cover 8 meter, and from B to C it take 1 second and cover 4 meter. Dear students, you have known that what is acceleration. Acceleration is the increment in velocity with time. The increment in velocity, that means the object will increase its velocity per seconds, and this will be the acceleration. If the objects have the acceleration, then you may understand that the object will take less time to reach from point B to C. Now come to the answer. If the particle runs in a balanced acceleration, it will take less time to go from point A to C, because we know that acceleration is the rate of increase in velocity with time. That's why while going from A to C, the particle's velocity will be increased per second. That means acceleration will be increased per seconds. As a result, it will take less time for the object to go from A to C in a balanced acceleration. Dear students, we have finished today's topic, and this is your homework number 15. You have to write as your homework from CQ to C and D. That means C and D is your homework, and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, read the chapter properly, learn all the question answer, and do all the SW properly and regularly, submit it regularly, because you will get your CT diary and SBA marks on the basis on your performance of SW, and must be mentioned the SW number. This is so much important for you. And stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.